How to set up international shipping on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can set up international shipping on your Shopify store. So this store that I have created over here is based in Canada, and I want to set up international shipping for the United States. And this really depends on where you are shipping internationally. Some stores might be shipping worldwide, so you can set up a flat rate for worldwide shipping for any other region other than your local area or your country. For some stores, international shipping is also variable. So, depending on how further the country is, for example, from Canada to the United States, my shipping rates might not be that drastically high as compared to, let's say, me shipping my products from Canada to Switzerland. So this just really depends. But I'll show you guys how to set up shipping rates for one country and then global shipping rates as well. To do this, simply head on over to your Shopify store dashboard and click on settings on the bottom left. Then you are going to click on shipping and delivery on the left. Once you do that, you will scroll down and you have local delivery, pickup, store customizations, packages, and more. But on the top, you have shipping. And over here, you're going to build your shipping profiles. Now, before you build shipping profiles, you have to build shipping zones, but you can honestly just add your shipping rate directly here. You don't have to separately go and set up zones first and then add them here. It's just easier to do it from here, so I just like to do it. Click on New Profile, and you're going to add your profile name. This is going to be my US shipping, and we're going to click on Add Product. You're going to select Displayed Products, and this will select all of your Shopify products. Then you're going to scroll down and click on Add Shipping Zone. You're going to name the zone and then just search for the country that you want to set this up for. I want to set this up for the entirety of the United States. Then it's going to show you this disclaimer where there are no shipping rates set. Click on Add Rate, and you can use a flat rate or a carrier or application to calculate your shipping rates as well. I'm going to be using a flat rate, and the name is called US Shipping, and this is going to be $100. And then I'm just going to click on Save, just like so. And once you've done that, you can also click on Go to Markets to, manually add individual markets, but we're just going to click on Save. And just like that, we have set up US shipping for customers present within the United States. Now you guys can see in your market section, we have different markets, and we can click on Add Market over here. Now we can just name this our Asia shipping or Europe shipping, like this. And I'm going to close up all the other continents, and I'm just going to select Europe. And once we've done that, we're going to click on Add Market. Once we add this market, and you guys can see within Europe, we have a bunch of different countries. But once you add your market, you are just going to click on Shipping. And once you choose your shipping, you have to set up rates. So instead of having to manually set these rates up for each individual country, just go into Settings on the left, click on Shippings and Delivery, click on New Profile, and this is going to be my EU shipping. Click on Add Products, select all of your products, scroll down, click on Add Shipping Zone, and this is going to be our EU zone. So I'm just going to select the EU. Click on Done, click on Add Rate, use a flat rate, and just add your shipping. Click on Done, EU shipping, and we're just going to click on Done, click on Save, and just like that, we have set up international shipping for the EU as well. This is how simple and easy it is to set up your own shipping rates for international orders. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.